Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Hyundai Veloster key fob. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Find a clean, well-lit area to work. This process is straightforward and should take only a few minutes. We'll go step by step to ensure you can easily replace the battery yourself. Now, let's open the fob. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into the small slot you located earlier. Gently twist the screwdriver. You'll hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Be careful not to use excessive force, as the plastic casing can be delicate. With the fob open, you'll see the old battery. Carefully remove it from its slot. Pay attention to how the old battery was oriented, usually with the positive side facing up. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Once reassembled, test your key fob to ensure all functions, like locking and unlocking, are working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.